Hi guys, a drone is a flying body controlled which works onboard sensors and a global positioning system. The low-cost drone is an effective choice. This article has compiled the best finest professional drones keeping in mind the cost and designs. The drones are easy to fly and are economical. The best news is whether you are aerial photography and videography or drone racing, some of the best drones are affordable, making them ideal for beginners. This article contains the best drones for you. So, let's get started. Number 10, V-Copter Falcon Bicopter Drone. This professional drones is here with the 11% price off. Now you can get it at around $799. The professional drone is flyability. Ilias 2 is difficult to access with advanced collision resistance technology and has a durable drone. This is exclusively for professional inspections with a durable factor and has an advanced collision avoidance system. The drone is durable from metal components and has a streaming camera and a 10K lumens lighting system. The commercial drone has the best notch options. This has an Autel OS0-32 LiDAR sensor, data for the creation of survey-grade 3D using the software. The mapping areas has a GeoSLAM partnership that enables the professionals to produce survey-grade point. Brand new V-shaped dual-rotor propulsion system combined with proprietary tilt-rotor technology and nonlinear dynamic modeling and control algorithms enable 15-minute extra long flight time. The next is Number 9, DJI Air 2S Drone Quadcopter. Now you can get it at around $974. Features of this product: this DJI Air 2S drone has a 1-inch sensor that provides image quality and dynamic range. The Air 2S is more compact than Mavic 2 or 3. The DJI Focus Track has an intelligent subject tracking system with active tracking and sensors in it. The 595g weight DJI Air 2S drone has 5.4K, 5472 3078 HDR video resolution and has 20MP camera resolution. The 30 minutes battery life makes it further good. The 18.5 km max range and 68 km/h max speed make it further best drone in the listing. The DJI Air 2S has a camera with an oversized Type 1 sensor for 20MP cameras. The 5.4K 30 and 4K 60 video with HDR, flat or has standard profiles. The GPS location, obstacle sensors and ADS-B to have manned aircraft and a 30-minute battery. The Air 2S is a compelling drone that has Type 1 sensors that lag behind quad Bayer chips in pixels. The next is Number 8, Skydio 2 Plus Pro Kit Autonomous. Now you can get it at around $2,399. Skydio, founded by MIT graduates, is an American firm that is involved in the Google Project Wing. Most drones have autonomous flight abilities. The Skydio is the finest subject tracking. It's mostly suitable for beginners. It shoots images in RAW and JPEG codecs and has a video resolution of 4K at 60 frames per second. The only drawback is it's available in limited countries such as Australia and United States. The Skydio has a fixed body, that's why it is less transportable. The battery is magnetically attached to the bottom body. This drone has omnidirectional super fisheye lenses that have a 360-degree vision to avoid a collision. This drone has a battery life of up to 23 minutes, which makes it possible for an autonomous flight. Skydio 2 Plus is a drone with an advanced 45MP obstacle avoidance system. The next is Number 7, MyJunter Drone Body Protective. Now you can get it at around $9. Features of this product: the Xiaomi FIMI X8 SE has the best foldable drones at an affordable price. The FIMI X8 SE is durable and is made of tough materials that can stand crashes and minor accidents. The folding design is easy to transport and store. The flight time is of 35 minutes and has the longest flying drone that can stay in the air for almost an hour with a full battery. The battery life is impressive and has a detachable battery feature. The range is 8,000 meters, which makes it the longest range for taking photos and videos from a distance. The FIMI X8 SE has 18 meters per second of speed, which is enough for pilots. The drone has 3 different speed settings, so you can adjust speed settings. The 1.26-inch CMOS sensor take has 12MP photos and 48MP videos. The Ultra HD 4K video quality is quite impressive and the drone can take 60 frames per second. The next is Number 6, Parrot PF7280000 Anafi drone, now you can get it at around $370. Features of this product: the Parrot Anafi is probably the best professional drone if the drone has high-quality video and photos. The 4K camera and gimbal, zoom function make it great for travel and exploration. The people who need a compact drone with good specs and a reliable camera, it's a great choice for them. The Anafi camera features 21MP 4K quality for capturing aerial photography. The 3-axis pivot provides stable support for videography. This has a durable and rechargeable battery that provides 25 minutes of flight time. The 60% charging allows the pilot more time for an extended range for better performance. This enables smooth and HD video transmission via 6 software. The Sky Controller 3 allows long-distance flights. The Safe Return Home feature is also available in the Anafi. The Sky Controller helps it take the position automatically. The next is Number 5, Freefly Systems Alta UAV. The Freefly Alta 8 is a professional drone that is an extremely durable drone that can survive a collision. The drone has heavy payloads of 20 pounds and has a hard shell case and carbon propellers. The battery life has 20 minutes use. The Freefly Alta X drone has a quad rotor designed for professional ones. It has a 35-pound payload and a foldable carbon fiber propeller. The Freefly is engineered for easy transport and quick deployment. This drone is designed for high-end cinematography. The Freefly has a flight of 50 minutes. This drone is used in filmmaking as it allows one to take shots. The Freefly Alta X has a range of 10 kilometers and has an advanced flight control system that helps with GPS and is helpful in rescue operations. The Freefly Alta X has a speed of 72 kilometers per hour, which is fast and agile and makes it easy to fit in tight spaces. This drone has a small footprint and a diagonal of 2,273 millimeters and a weight of 11 kilograms, which makes it easy to transport. The next is Number 4, Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro 6K Drone. The Autel EVO 2 professional drone has a compact design and is portable. Autel EVO 2 is the longest range drone that has 3 options and specs: cameras and sensors. The Autel camera can record up to 8K 25 frames per second or 4K 60p and fly for 40 minutes. The Autel EVO 2 is a powerful long-range drone that can fly for 5.6 miles, the longest flight time of 40 minutes with a speed of 44 miles per hour. The forward, backward, downward, side and upward obstacle avoidance sensors are capable of a 360-degree obstacle avoidance system. The Autel Pro has a dual version with an added infrared sensor along with an 8K sensor. The Autel EVO 2 can stay in the air for 40 minutes at 44 miles per hour, providing the longest flight time. This model has 3 versions depending on the 8K high-resolution videos. The 5.5K quality videos and 20MP images have 8K and infrared sensors. The Autel EVO 2 is a powerful drone that is not portable and has large in size and heavy weight, making it to transport or fit in a travel bag. The next is Number 3, DJI Inspire 2 Drone. Now you can get it at around $3,045. Features of this product: the DJI Inspire 2 is a professional-grade drone that gives a top-line performance. This drone is designed not only for mapping but also if you are a professional photographer and you need aerial shots, then this is a must-go. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization system ensures smooth, steady footage. The obstacle avoidance system avoids any type of collision. The flight time is up to 27 minutes with powerful batteries in it. The flight time is quite impressive. The range of 7 kilometers is more than enough for most drones. The range allows getting the shots without losing the power. The Inspire 2 is a fast drone with 94 kilometers per hour. This makes it the fastest drone in the market. It's suitable for those who want to get quick shots. Long-range pilots also appreciate the high speed as it can cover large portions of ground in a shorter span. This drone is designed for professional photographers who have high-quality cameras. The drone doesn't have a camera but is compatible with many different types or kinds of cameras. The next is Number 2, DJI Phantom 4 Pro Professional Drone. Now you can get it at around $1,749. Features of this product: the DJI Phantom 4 RTK is the best professional drone in the market for surveying. This is an excellent high-quality drone with RTK capabilities, which makes it more reliable for use. The DJI Phantom for RTK allows large projects and has 1-inch CMOS sensor and 3-axis gimbals. The 5,870 mAh battery can keep drone flight up to 30 minutes. The RTK can collect spatial data up to centimeters accurately. The swappable lithium battery, SD card for survey data, and 4G connectivity for cloud-based backup allow easy flight. The 4RTK is a professional mapping drone that measures centimeter-level accuracy. The built-in surveying ability of the RTK module makes it further good in the market. The Phantom 4 RTK is a reliable tool for mapping. This has a GNSS module and an IMU for positioning. The RTK has a flight time of 30 minutes, which is enough for mapping projects. The 7 km range is sufficient for mapping projects. The next is Number 1, DJI Mavic 2 Pro Drone Quadcopter. The DJI Mavic 2 is a professional drone with a camera and GPS and has a Hasselblad camera and a motor with a speed of 48 miles per hour. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system includes Hasselblad L1D20C camera that can capture 4K HDR video and has to enhance the gimbal. The high-grade motor has a speed of 48 miles per hour in windy conditions. The drone has an obstacle detection system that has a lithium battery which allows 30 minutes of flight time. The Mavic 2 has advanced features and high-quality features. This drone is registered with the Federal Aviation Administration, which has the best VR drones. The gorgeous 4K content has high quality that stands high with respect to price range. The crisp image due to 20 megapixels makes the drone produce a high-quality drone. The DJI Mavic 2 has superior image and video quality with an obstacle avoidance system and a good battery life. The 1-inch CMOS sensor L1D-20C camera has advanced active sensing to produce high-quality videos and photos. The remote control uses an ultra-bright 5.5-inch 1080p display that helps in maintaining clear visibility. So this is the best option for you to buy.